Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burritos. First, select a large, fresh tortilla, ideally 10 inches or more in diameter. Warming it gently in a pan or microwave for about 15 seconds makes it much easier to fold without tearing. Have all your delicious fillings, like seasoned meat, rice, beans, and cheese, prepared and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient wrapping process. Now, let's talk about filling placement. Arrange your chosen ingredients in a neat, horizontal line across the center of the warmed tortilla. Remember to leave a clear border of approximately 2 inches on both the left and right edges. This space is crucial for the initial folds. Be mindful not to overfill. A moderate amount ensures a secure and easy wrap, preventing any messy spills. With your fillings perfectly placed, it's time for the first critical fold. Take the bottom edge of the tortilla and bring it up and over your delicious fillings. As you do this, gently tuck that edge tightly underneath the ingredients. This creates a firm base and helps to compress everything. A snug first fold is essential for keeping all your components securely inside as you continue wrapping. For the final steps, fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla, bringing them over the now contained fillings. Once those sides are tucked in, begin rolling the entire burrito tightly from the bottom, where you made your first fold, all the way up to the top. Aim for a firm, cylindrical shape. This technique ensures your burrito is perfectly sealed and ready to enjoy without any unraveling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.